This is how to set up WooCommerce pre-orders using a free plugin that honestly works better than most paid options. Start by searching for YITH pre-order for WooCommerce in your plugin section. Once you install and activate it, you'll see a new pre-order option under the YITH menu in your dashboard. Click into that section. The first thing you'll want to make sure is to enable pre-order. It turns on the feature for your entire store. Right next to that, there's a customization tab where you can change your button text. You can make it say pre-order today or reserve today, something that actually tells people what they're doing. Now you need to set up individual products. Go edit whatever product you want to offer as a pre-order. Scroll down to product data and you'll see a new pre-order tab sitting there. Click it and check enable pre-order for this product. The availability date field is where you tell customers when you expect to ship. Just click the date picker and choose your target date. Below that, the pre-order price section lets you charge something different for early orders. You could discount it to get people excited or charge regular price. Totally up to you. Hit update product and your product page changes completely. The pre-order button shows up with your custom text, customers can see when it'll ship, and everything looks professional. When someone actually places a pre-order, it creates a normal order in your WooCommerce Orders section. And the plugin charges customers right away, not when you ship. That means you get the money up front, but you also need to actually deliver on time.